माननीय श्री रविचंद्र बद्दी राजू, request for restoration of train fare concessions to accredited journalists.
Thank you, Honorable Vice Chairman, sir. I want to highlight an important issue affecting journalists in India, the end of their 50% train fare discount. Before the COVID-19 lockdown in March 2020, accredited journalists could use the discount, but it was stopped during the pandemic. Even after 3 years and many requests, it has not been brought back. Many journalists come from low-income or middle-class families and need affordable travel to do their reporting. Several journalist unions from across the country have pointed out that the loss of the discount has made their financial struggles worse. For example, a ticket that used to cost rupees 50 with the discount now costs rupees 100. Reports also show that railways earned an extra rupees 2,242 crore in 2022-2023 after cutting similar discounts, which shows they can afford to bring back their benefit for journalists. This issue continues because the policy has not been revived, even though things have returned to normal after the pandemic. Experts and lawmakers agreed that the discount should be restored, as journalists play a key role in informing the public and face financial challenges. I sincerely ask the Railway Ministry to address this issue and bring back the 50% concession. This will be greatly help journalists who work hard to support democracy as its fourth pillar.
Thank you. Dr. Sikandar Kumar, demand to establish a dedicated cancer hospital in the state of Himachal Pradesh.
धन्यवाद सर। महोदय, मोदी सरकार के पहले 2014 से 19 और दूसरे 2019 से 24 कार्यकाल के दौरान स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र में क्रांतिकारी परिवर्तन आए और वर्तमान कार्यकाल में भी मोदी सरकार स्वास्थ्य क्षेत्र में लगातार सुधार और लोगों को बेहतर एवं सस्ती स्वास्थ्य सुविधाएं उपलब्ध कराने के लिए प्रतिबद्ध